What if you could generate an entire, highly consistent video up to 60 minutes long using just one single tool? Today, we are looking at MagicLight, an absolute beast of an all-in-one platform that is completely reshaping how we create long-form YouTube videos, kids' animated stories, and viral shorts. We're going to walk through the entire production pipeline, run a side-by-side comparison of the industry's newest AI video engines, dive into a massive new World Cup update, and show you exactly how to turn this tool into a legitimate source of income. Let's start with a demo. I used MagicLight's 3D cartoon style to generate a cinematic, high-retention opening sequence. Look at the fluid character motion, the consistency of the art style across different angles, and how the lighting perfectly adapts to the environment. This isn't a stitched-together collection of random clips. This is a unified, episodic narrative built from a single creative concept. If you are building an automation channel, showcasing a high-quality demo like this using the Disney or 3D cartoon style right at the beginning of your video is the best way to hook your audience and drastically increase your video views. The massive breakthrough here is the absolute elimination of tool hopping. MagicLight is a true all-in-one ecosystem. You do not need an external scriptwriter, a standalone image generator, a separate video motion app, and a traditional editing suite. You log into one dashboard, input your creative direction, and let the system execute the entire pipeline from asset creation to final render. The level of scale here is completely unprecedented. MagicLight gives creators the flexibility to choose the exact length of their project, supporting massive timelines up to 60 minutes long. Whether you are aiming for a quick, high-impact 60-second viral short, a standard 10-minute automated video, or a full 30 to 60-minute cinematic feature, you can build it here seamlessly with a single prompt. Now let's look under the hood at MagicLight's brand new model selection feature. This is an incredible playground for creators who want to push visual boundaries. The platform now lets you test and compare the absolute latest video generation engines on the market, VO4 and Seedance 2.0. To show you exactly how this works, I use the exact same script and prompt parameters on both models so we can run a direct side-by-side output comparison. This is great for an effect demo because it shows you exactly how different algorithms interpret your text. On the left, we have the VO4 engine. Notice the breathtaking high-fidelity rendering, the intricate detail in the textures, and how cleanly it handles cinematic lighting and physics. It gives the scene an incredibly polished, big-budget look. On the right, we have the Seedance 2.0 engine. Look at the dramatic camera movement, the fluidity of the character action, and how effortlessly it handles complex physics and tracking shots without warping the background geometry. Having access to both models inside a single workspace is a massive advantage. You can instantly see which model interprets your specific storytelling style best and select the perfect visual engine for your project without burning through separate platform subscriptions. When you look at the asset depth, you realize why this platform has quickly become the top choice for creating kids' story channels and faceless YouTube automation brands. Consistency is the ultimate killer of AI video channels, but MagicLight solves this by giving you a massive library of over 20 distinct visual styles and a staggering roster of more than 10,000 pre-built characters. Let's test out the system's dynamic animate function. You aren't stuck with static images that just slightly wiggle. You can select an asset, choose your animation parameters, and generate realistic camera pans, character gestures, and environmental movement. Even better, the platform features a highly optimized, reusable voice library. Instead of generating new voiceovers from scratch for every single line, which usually results in weird tone shifts, you can build a permanent library of reusable narration and specific character voices. This lets you build videos much faster because you can include consistent audio samples and maintain a before and after comparison of your audio tracks. The tone, inflection, and accent stay perfectly uniform, allowing you to build multi-episode series incredibly fast. To keep track of all these assets, MagicLight features an updated creator profile page. This acts as your centralized creative command center. With a clean visual asset display area, you can easily view, organize, and manage your custom characters, saved art styles, and active voice profiles using clear screenshots of your collection so you can jump right back into your workflow without losing assets. Content creation doesn't just happen at a desk, and this is where MagicLight's mobile workflow completely changes the game. They've integrated a powerful GPT image to mobile creation feature directly into their smartphone ecosystem. You open the app on your phone, type a quick descriptive prompt, and the GPT Image 2 engine instantly generates a flawless, highly polished AI visual right before your eyes. From there, you can immediately push it straight into the video generation pipeline with a single tap. It is an incredibly fast, frictionless way to script, generate assets, and monitor your rendering queue completely on the go. Now, let's talk about a mandatory highlight dropping on the platform right now, the special World Cup season highlights event. If you want to tap into massive global sports trends and pull millions of views, this is your golden ticket. When you log into the platform, you will see a dedicated, high-visibility World Cup activity entrance right on the homepage. Clicking this instantly opens a specialized workspace designed exclusively for football video production. Inside, you will find a massive collection of dedicated World Cup templates. With one single click, you can generate an entire spectrum of football content, including player interviews.
But I didn't miss the goal. The goalpost moved 3 inches to the left the moment I kicked. It's a global conspiracy.
Deep dive tactical match explainers
To discuss the 2026 World Cup, tell us, how are the teams prepared?
and comprehensive team introductions. To power these templates, the system features specialized World Cup character assets, allowing you to generate stunning football star-inspired characters across dozens of different art styles. Now, a quick copyright risk note for safety. Make sure to avoid claiming any real player likeness or using official trademarked names in your text narration to keep your channel perfectly safe for monetization. Best of all, during this event season, when you purchase a subscription plan, MagicLight throws in extra credits for the World Cup plan. These are bonus credits credited directly to your account specifically for football video generation. Keep in mind this isn't a completely free tier, but rather extra credits added on top of your regular plan to give you maximum rendering power. When you combine all of these advanced systems together, the cutting-edge video models, the GPT Image 2 mobile creation, the reusable voice library, and your customized creator profile, you unlock a pipeline explicitly designed for rapid series-based AI video production. It allows you to produce videos far more efficiently than standard workflows. Let's demo a full, high-efficiency workflow from scratch. We start on brainstorming an initial concept and generating our core imagery. Those assets instantly sync to our creator profile on desktop. We pull up our saved character voices, select the Seedance 2.0 engine for heavy action shots, use the animate function to add cinematic tracking, and set the timeline length. In just minutes, an entire episodic video is mapped, synchronized, and ready for export.
Leo eyes Aether's archway, pulsing blue. Whoa! Above, giant islands drift through the clouds like silent giants, tethered to the ground by thick, golden chains. He adjusts his leather satchel, feeling the weight of his journey, and steps onto the glowing bridge. The air vibrates as he approaches the castle gates. Cascades of liquid gold pour from high ramparts, splashing into a pool that defies gravity. Leo pulls a glowing crystal from his pocket. It reacts instantly. Face flump. Mastador. It's time.
Come on,
Breathed.
open up!
He runs forward as the heavy gates begin to grind open. A sudden gust of wind knocks his cloak back, revealing the vast, swirling abyss below the floating terrain.
Real!
The ground
It's
beneath him
actually
shudders. Cracked
No!
ground, Leo leans, seeing dust and swallows footage. Falling into the void, he lands firmly,
Phew.
the impact echoing through
Close
his boots. He turns to face the grand hall. A pulsing light beckons. Leo takes a deep breath and steps into the golden radiance.
But MagicLight isn't just a tool for making content. It's a platform designed to help you monetize your work through the Creator Asset Rewards program. Inside the app, you have access to a shared asset library. As a creator, you can build your own custom visual styles, design distinct character models, or assemble unique video templates and publish them directly inside the public library. When other creators use your templates and assets for their own videos, you monetize them. This turns your routine content creation workflow into a legitimate source of income, letting you turn your creative work into cash. MagicLight completely eliminates the fragmented, expensive workflow of traditional AI creation and replaces it with a fast, unified, long-form engine. It is the ultimate choice for creators looking to build sustainable channels without the headache. Check out the pinned comment below and hit the official sign-up link, magiclight.ai, to claim your free trial and get creating immediately. Hit that subscribe button, drop a comment with your favorite feature, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.